The future of Samsung is here, and things are about to get crazy. Forget the Galaxy S25 series for a second, because Samsung is working on something far more ambitious, far riskier, and without a doubt, the most premium Galaxy device ever made. After years of planning, it's finally happening, the Samsung Galaxy G. But that's not all. Alongside this futuristic beast, we're also getting the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, and Samsung is gearing up to launch one of its most important mid-range phones of the year. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is the Galaxy G? Well, this is Samsung's first ever trifolding smartphone, and thanks to leaks from Ross Young, we now have some solid details. When fully unfolded, the display stretches to a massive 10 inches, while the cover screen, when folded, comes in at around 6.49 inches, so it's still super usable in compact form. Samsung actually teased a concept like this at MWC a couple of years ago, but the final product is expected to be even more refined, with slimmer bezels and an almost invisible crease. Now here's where it gets exciting. The Galaxy G is built to redefine multitasking. Imagine opening the Gallery app and seeing all your photos on one side while a selected image expands on the other. Or better yet, splitting the screen into 3 sections, your home screen on one side, YouTube playing in the center, and related videos on the right. The possibilities are insane. And with Samsung's One UI 7, which has been killing it in the software game, you just know they're going to bring out the best in this unique form factor. That being said, the Galaxy G won't be for everyone. This is an ultra-premium device, and the rumored price tag reflects that, over $2,500. On top of that, Samsung is reportedly keeping this one exclusive, with only 2 lakh units planned for launch. But honestly, it's just exciting to see Samsung take risks again and push the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. Samsung is back to making bold moves, and I love to see it. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.